Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, my name is Atino Alan, and today I'm going to be taking you through on how to create a report card. That is, you may be a teacher, maybe you may be a teacher, and you have results for your pupils, students, depending on which level you're teaching, and you want to create a report card easy and pretty fast. You can use Excel application, that is spreadsheet application. Yeah, so let's dive into Excel and see how fast we can create a report card without really taking much time and all that. Yes, so we are going to go direct into Excel document. Excel. Yeah, so here is Excel. We have opened Excel. So let me get a file that we're going to use. Yeah, so here we have some work. Yeah, we have name of pupil, subject, that is English, math, science. So these are basically results of some primary school somewhere, and we are going to work with this result that we have here to show you how to get the total, average and position, and probably also the grade. Yeah, so to get a total, I'm going to show you two ways. You can use a function, you can use a formula. I've just put this to show you purpose of showing you, but of course when you're doing that, you only choose one. So here using a function, I'm going to say equal sign, and then of course a function is basically a predefined formula that is in the Excel system. So meaning a function can have sum, average, limit. Yeah, so here we want sum up this max. So we're going to click on sum, and then we click on this cell here, that is B2. As you can see, it is displaying on the formula bar. Yes, and then we keep putting a comma. Yes, until we reach the last one. Then you put you can either put the brackets or you leave it. After that, you enter. After entering, you see that you have the total for that pupil, and you don't need to do that for all those other cells. You just have to come here and down here where you see when you see that plus sign, you only double click, and you have it out of field. So that is it. How simple it is. Then using a formula, we're also going to do that pretty fast. Here, you come here and click on equal sign. Yes, then you come to the first cell here. I mean the cell having the first mark of the first student or pupil, I mean. Yeah, so you click on B2. Then we're using a formula, so we're going to keep on adding. We want to get the sum. We shall be adding yes, just that. After that, you can just put enter, and you can see it's very simple. And you have that. You can see it is just the same. That means you can use any of this, and all of you get accurate answers. Yes, that is basically how simple it is. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you again to get our average. Basically, we're going to use a function. We're going to come and say equal sign, right here. Equal sign, then we type average on our keyboard. Before even you finish, I mean, they give you a list, and then you choose from there average. You want to get the average of all these marks. This one, this one, this one. Yes, so I want to click on this first cell. Yep, and then click on this comma, this comma, and this. Yep, just that. Yeah, and then we close the brackets, or you can leave it. Depends on what you want. It will still give you the same answer. So then we enter. As you can see, are we okay? Is everything all right? Which cells did we do? No, there's a mistake somewhere. Let's rectify. All right, now you see when we're busy putting them, we bumped into this other cell which is not right. It's supposed to be this other one. So we remove that. Simply remove that. Just like that, when you click on the right cell, that is E2, and then we enter. Yes, you see we have that. And then you don't need to do that for all that. You just come on autofill like that. Then we're going to also rank our pupils based on how they perform. With ranking, basically, just come and use a function that you say. We come and say equal sign. equal sign. Yes, there is type rank on our keyboard. Rank. Let's just come to rank. No, rank. Type. Let's keep typing. Then you click on rank. You see when you click on rank, they put for you here. Then we're trying to direct you number, reference, and then order. So we are going to we are going to rank them basing on their averages. So we're going to click on the average of the first pupil. After that, we put a comma, and then we put the reference. So we're going to take that whole column. Just click that. But now it is better always when you're getting the rank to use absolute cell referencing. We fix the cells. So we shall use the dollar signs to do that. We won't do it manually, but on your PC when you're doing it, you can just press F4 until it will be automatically fixed. But for someone might need to do it manually, and of course it's better to know how to do it manually also. So I want to fix my cells. Yeah, so I'm going to press on the dollar sign right there, and then here also a dollar sign. After that I put a comma, and then now order is that they're giving us the options descending or ascending. But remember, whenever you're ranking, you always want the person with the highest mark to be number one, and then the one with the lowest mark to take the last position, of course. So we cannot say ascending, we shall choose descending. Descending, that is 0. Then we can either close the bracket or we leave it and we enter ending and 1. Anyway, let's close it. Then we enter. You can see now that the person is number 2, and you autofill. Let's see. Let's check for number 1 to see whether we're accurate. We see the number 1 is the one with the highest average. Yes, so that is very true and very correct. So now I'm going to show you very fast on how to grade this pupils. So we're going to put their grade. Now for grade, we can use if function, VLOOKUP, or HLOOKUP, any that you want. I guess if our function would be a little bit simpler. Yeah. But now grading, I'm only going to show you. We're going to take only for. We're only going to grade English. Okay. Or rather, let's do like this. Because now, if we are to grade each subject, it might be a little bit. We might need to insert here a row inside here, and which may take time. So let's just grade them according to the averages that they have. Shall grade the averages. Yes. Shall say from this to this you have a, oh, let's say division 1. Yes. Division 2. Like that. We are not going to use aggregate in this, but of course you can apply the same knowledge to also grade or using aggregates. Yes. Yes, so we are going to use a function. Come here, it is if. Then you say if we are going to use of course we are using the averages, and we're going to rate them according to the highest person will have like let's say division 1, that is number 1 of the class. We have in division 1 like that. So we are going to choose a way of doing that. So we shall click on this one here. So we say if h2 is greater than, get that sign greater than or equals to 80. Let's put 80. Then we put a comma. We shall say that is division 1. Div 1. Like that. Let's make this capital. So we must put their quotes. Let me see where to get the quotes from. Alright, we put quotes here. Then also here we put quotes. Yeah, then we put a comma, then we say if another if function, then we say h2 greater than, remove that, say greater than or equals to, let's say 70. Yeah, that one we are going to say that is div2, so we put a comma and then we put div2 div is 2, like that. So we don't forget to put the quotation sign. Let's say this. Yeah, so you see in the formula bar, this is how our formula our function will be. But of course, now in this case we shall have to fix the cells. So here where are they? We're going to fix manually. So let me do that. We just do that by pressing F4. So press F4. So as you can see, when you press F4, it is fixed like this. So now you have to close the brackets. You have opened brackets how many times? 3 times. So you close 3 times. We close the brackets until it's like that. Then we enter. We enter like that. As you can see, that is div1 for that one with 80.5. He has above what? 80, that is div1, as you can see in the formula bar. So you just autofill. Oh, there's a problem. Alright, so we tried using absolute cell referencing, but so it was. So let's first do without absolute cell referencing, then for the grading. Yeah, so this is the way it's going to be our function on the formula bar. You can see it is here like this. Yeah, just this. It is not hard. You only follow what you're directed to do. Yeah, so we are going to enter. Yeah, so and you look at this. This is how it will be appearing on the formula bar. Yeah, so this is basically without absolute cell referencing, but it's always important to do absolute cell referencing. So you can do that. You press on F4 to be actual. Yeah, so let's enter this. And enter, you see that. Then I just autofill, and you can see well display. That is how simple you can. Now let's look at the one was failures below 50, and our condition says below 50 you failed. Yeah, so that is correct. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like my page, like my videos, support so that we can shape this channel into a better one. Thank you.